everybody, this video is going to talk about finding a final amount in a word problem on exponential growth or decay. This one is very similar to compound interest problems. In fact, this is an exponential growth or decay model using compound interest. So we're told a principal of $1,800 is invested at a 4% interest compounded annually. Compounded annually, what does that mean? That means n equals 1. Let's go back. The principal is $1,800 and the rate is 4%, which is the same thing as 0.04. That is the decimal for it. And then we want to know how much will it be worth after 9 years. So time is equal to 9. Which model are we going to use? We're going to use A equals P times what? 1 plus R over N to the NT. Because we're not told it's compounded continuously. So this is 1,800 times 1 plus 0.04 divided by 1 times raised to the power n, or 1, times t, which is 9. So this is equal to 1,800 times 1.0, did that on the last one, 1.04 raised to the 9 power. Now, after we go ahead and plug that in, we will get that this equals 2,562.96. Carefully read. It says to the nearest dollar, so this is equal to 2,500. And I wrote this wrong. After we do 1,800 times 1.4 to the 9, we get 2,561.96. And then after we round it to the nearest dollar, we get $2,562 even. So if we invest $1,800 at 4% interest rate after 9 years, that's equal to 2,562. So there's importance in how many times it's compounded. Okay? And there's an importance in how much interest rate you have. We want a higher interest rate if we are investing.